Morning, my chili.
Morning, how are you?
¿Cómo está?
Muy bien. We're in the mount.
You're in the Mount Manganui.
Mount Manganui.
Not Manganui anymore.
No, it's Mount Mawao or something like that.
Wow.
Mawao.
So,
And yeah, we are eating breakfast.
I'm thinking breakfast, some Latvian crab
with
salad.
surimi. And careful, what dog? Look at the mount.
So,
We are right here next to the beach.
So we are celebrating the 17th of
Celebrating 17th of January.
January.
Some lady, the one that is right in the other side of the camera,
Just getting really old and grumpy.
7, yeah. I mean, getting really old, but she's already actually quite grumpy. So now she's gonna start thinking about giving me some pills.
Jesus.
Water is coming.
Yeah, so that was a good one. Oh, she's 17. janvāris in Tauranga. Just having advantage. Svinam man 27. dzimšanas dienu. Ar trakiem viļņiem. Diena ir ļoti jauka.
Bye, Biega.
Wants me Biega.
Na zdrowie.
Oh, come on, don't start talking Russian. Speaking Russian.
Biega. And this is Lavacar.
What? That's a broadcast.
Labrid.
That's a broadcast.
Broadcast. Oh!
That's a good one again.
Maybe we can run away from here. Quickly, run away.
Not so bad.
Really?
No, it's not so bad, you see.
You know?
No, because
Those
it's...
waves are pretty
Jesus.
Maybe, run away. Yeah, ready.
Okay, bye.